Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. Have you ever wanted to LS swap your car but been worried about a shop that might not know exactly how to do it, or concerned that you might not end up with exactly what you want? We have a turnkey build service that can get you everything you need with the assurance that it's done right by the professionals. By turnkey build, we essentially mean you drop your car off stock, pick it up, LS swapped, with all the parts and components you wanted ready to drive down the road and enjoy for many years to come. The first step of the turnkey build service is a consultation to determine exactly what you want: engine, transmission, chassis, all the components that go into building this into exactly what your dreams are. Even if you don't have the car that you want for your turnkey build, we can source that for you. Don't worry if you're not local to the Baltimore, Maryland area. We ship cars in and out of here and around the world. We handle all the shipment details to make it a pain-free, simple process. Once we iron out all the details for exactly what you want in your LS turnkey build, we schedule the drop-off date and the process begins. Here's an example of a recent turnkey build on a beautiful FD RX-7. The final result is what you can expect from a turnkey build here at SIKKY. Give us a call or an email to start building your dream car today.